With voice commands, we can schedule or reschedule events and view upcoming calendar events using Siri. For these examples, I'll be invoking Siri with a press of the side button on the iPhone. But Siri, or Hey Siri, will work as well. Let's start with scheduling a new event with Siri on the iPhone. Schedule a 1 p.m. lunch tomorrow at Oak Barrel in Eagle. So that created a new event for tomorrow at 1 p.m. and included the location. I said scheduled to begin that command, but you could also say setup or add. Now let's reschedule that lunch. Reschedule lunch tomorrow to Tuesday at noon. That moves the event over to Tuesday at the requested time. I can, of course, still manually edit the event on either device. Now let's view upcoming events with a Siri command. Show me next week's calendar events. That displays all of next week's events in a list. Tap on an event to open it in the calendar app. So don't forget that Siri can be a quick way to add, edit, and view calendar events.